PS4 cannot access storage problem.
Replace the hard drive if the problems persist even after initialization. The issue might be with the internal hard drive. Consider replacing it with a new one. Follow your PS4's user manual or online guides to safely replace the hard drive. Make sure to use a compatible drive with sufficient storage capacity. Reinstall system software after replacing the hard drive. Download the latest PS4 system software from the official PlayStation website. Follow the instructions to create a USB installation drive and reinstall the system software on your new hard drive. Follow setup and initialization on-screen instructions. Then you're good to play. Enjoy!